Hey, what's up everyone? Nate here, back at you with another video, and today I am going to be doing a quick review of the Camvate basic camera cage. This cage retails on Amazon for only $40, putting it well inside most people's budgets. And for the price, you're getting a very durable design with a wide range of camera compatibility. The whole cage itself is made out of metal and has an array of 1/4 and 3/8 mounting points for accessories. The whole cage can be assembled and disassembled using simply the included Allen wrenches, which makes for easy storage. You can also use these same Allen wrenches to adjust the rig to fit the size of your camera. Any camera under 124 millimeters tall will be compatible with this rig. So chances are the camera you own, whether it be a DSLR or mirrorless camera, will work great with this product. On top of the rig, there is a handle you can use for filming or just carrying your camera between shoots. If you're not a fan of handheld shots, then you can simply connect the bottom of the rig to a tripod using a standard tripod thread. To mount your camera, it is a very similar process. Screw in the standard tripod mount to the bottom of your camera and you're ready to go. If you desire a more secure attachment point than just the tripod mount, you can slide a cold shoe mount on the top of the rig into your camera's hot shoe mount and then tighten it down for a more secure attachment point. For the most part, I am very pleased with the way Camvate designed their rig. However, they didn't include any hot shoe mounts. So if you want to mount any accessories that were originally intended to go on the top of your camera, you're going to be out of luck unless you buy a separate attachment. This is what I did. I bought mine from Small Rig and they work flawlessly, but it would have been nice to see this mounting option included. With the versatility that this product offers, allowing you to adjust the rig to fit whatever size camera you have, the Camvate basic camera cage is definitely your best rig option if you want to use a variety of accessories with your camera without having to spend a lot of money. If you'd like to pick up this product, I will have it linked below, as well as the Small Rig hot shoe mounts. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you liked it, please comment down below any feedback that you might have for me, subscribe, and also like the video. And as always guys, I am Nate from Everyday Technology, and I will be catching you in the next one. Peace out, bros.